Hey y'all, I just picked up this 89 Prelude. It's like 650 bucks. Some guy was selling it, had like his own personal junkyard. It was super cool. But I figured I would document the journey of me rebuilding it back to its former glory, some may say. Or some may say just throw it away because it's trash and it's a Honda or whatever. But I don't know. It was a SI, mostly stock. Figure I would take a chance, you know, a couple $100. Everything doesn't have a cat, so that's, you know, it's dope. There's an older guy. Apparently he had like trouble with theft or something, so he took him off all his cars. A bunch of them weren't older than 25 years old, so I don't know how that's gonna work, but you know, that's not my problem. Let me show y'all the interior quick. I switched over to the other camera here. It looks pretty clean, to be honest. Seats aren't horrible. They're not like covered in mold and stuff, you know, like dude, I think it's power seats. Like, it's just, I don't know. Power windows. It doesn't have a battery in it right now, so we're gonna clean it up first and then hopefully make the inside less mildewy. Look, it's got the nice steering wheel. Yeah. I haven't played around too much with everything, but like it's like mysteriously good. Like, let me show you all the engine. Like, I don't know, like, this was just so weird. Like, it's bone stock. Like, what are we, like, that's, you know, the stickers are here. It's got 230,000 miles, but like, I don't know, like, I felt like it was worth taking a chance on. It's got the pop-up headlights, of course. Everyone wants those. Yeah. I'll show you all the next step, I guess.
Today we got a 1989 Honda Prelude SI. Well, this old girl's been sitting for about a decade and a half. We're gonna get her running though. Ignore that, that's something else. We're gonna get her going. Wee boy, I tell you, what's this? Free little towel. Oh, here's something. Water's draining somewhere. Nice. Okay. It's not sagging too much. Well, we got 2:33 on the clock. I don't know, it don't look half bad to me, boy. I tell you. Check this out. Right here, boy. Wee. She's still hooked. Check this. We about to spray her down on her innards. We gonna get her nice and cleaned up. See, there was a little bush growing in there or something. That's supposed to say PGR Turbo VTEC. Got none of that. I think this is like a B20 some 2-liter something or other, 140 something torque and pound Newton meters and all that. We're gonna get her right now.
All right, y'all, so upon further inspection, it looks like, look at that. What, bro, what is this?
wiper here. I don't know about him. We're just gonna clean that now. Shoo-wee. I don't know what is going on. Looky here. That ain't that bad. I don't know, man. I don't know. This is interesting. Alright, y'all, I was just vacuuming this thing out, and check this thing. I didn't even realize this before, but I don't know what this is, but man, we got a new one. Just gonna that works. That's good. Alright, so I didn't film it, but I just threw a battery in there. I did try to crank it. Unfortunately, we don't have... Clutch feels a little weird, but it looks like, or it feels like it's engaging. Yeah, we got nothing. But the clock works. Fuel pump sounds like it's working and engaging. This is crazy. I don't know what this is looking. Face reveal later. Lights on the dash don't come up. That comes on. That, I don't know about all that. That light works. The coolant gauge does seem to engage. I guess let's see if the sunroof works. Nope. I do. Hello, kitty. It has a power mirrors, which do not seem to work. Oh my goodness, there's so many mosquitoes. Okay, let's get out of here. Spoiler alert: the pop-up headlights do work. So, you know, it's the little things, I guess. Yeah, that's really all I got right now. So, next steps, ozone generate the inside and the trunk and all that. There's a tiny bit of rust in the trunk from sitting water, but nothing crazy. Yeah, I'll keep y'all posted.